Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. This is actually one of my favorite boats. Kind of nickname it the sport utility. It's got plenty of power with twin 225 Verados. This particular one also has built-in shore power, excuse me, battery charger, fish package, plenty of room for rod storage. But also it's a great family boat, great for entertaining. You've got your aft seating right here, room underneath there for your Yeti cooler, very comfortable helm bench seat also for your passenger. As you can see, it's got the powder coated hard top, pretty much zero maintenance. Plenty of room here on the dash to do any type of install electronics, whatever you'd like. This one also has a fully enclosed head with pump out, and there's your table that comes with it. Up in the front, you've got plenty of storage up here. I don't have the cushions in it, but this is one of the nicest features of the boat. Is both these sides pop up right here and gives you additional backrest for your passengers. So we'll take a look inside the storage compartment here. Now I've got all the cushions in there, but this thing's huge. You've got dedicated rod storage on each side, tons and tons of room in there. And this is a great place to kind of hang out when you're cruising as well for your guests. So to recap, Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our brand new 27 Dauntless. So if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number here at MarineMax is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.